Jackie Evancho, Jacqueline Marie Evancho, born April 9, 2000, is an American classical crossover singer who gained wide recognition at an early age. Since 2009, she has issued a platinum-selling EP and 8 albums, including 3 Billboard 200 Top 10 debuts. She has also been the subject of 3 solo PBS concert specials. Between 2008 and 2010, Evancho entered talent competitions, sang the U.S. national anthem at a Pittsburgh Pirates baseball game, issued her first album, Prelude to a Dream, and attracted interest on YouTube. In 2010, at the age of 10, she gained wide notice with her second-place finish in the 5th season of America's Got Talent. With the 2010 holiday release of her Oh Holy Night EP, Evancho became the best-selling debut artist of 2010, the youngest top 10 debut artist in U.S. history and the youngest solo artist ever to go platinum in the U.S. In 2011, her first full-length album, Dream With Me, debuted at number 2 on the Billboard 200 chart, and she became the youngest top 5 debut artist in UK history. Billboard ranked Evancho the top classical albums artist for 2011. Later that year, Evancho released a full-length holiday album, Heavenly Christmas, and became the youngest person ever to give a solo concert at Lincoln Center in New York City as part of her first concert tour. In 2012, Evancho released Songs from the Silver Screen, her third top 10 album debut. In 2013 she headlined benefit concerts at Carnegie Hall and elsewhere. She also appeared in the 2013 Robert Redford film The Company You Keep and modeled for Guess Kids clothing. Later album releases include Awakening, 2014, Someday at Christmas, 2016, Two Hearts, 2017, and the debut, 2019, her 8th consecutive release to reach number 1 on the U.S. Classical Albums chart. In 2017, Evancho performed the U.S. national anthem at the presidential inauguration of Donald Trump and became the youngest person ever to perform a concert series at Café Carlyle. She has given concert tours in support of each of her studio albums. Evancho appeared in 2020 as a contestant on The Masked Singer. Family and early life. Evancho was born on April 9, 2006, in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, to Lisa and Michael Evancho. Her father operated a video security business until 2010. 8. She has an older sister Juliet, a younger brother Zachary, and a younger sister Rachel. She was raised in a suburb of Pittsburgh in a Catholic family. Evancho began her education in the Pine Ridgeland School District, but at various times, after her career began, she received online schooling. She attended Pine Ridgeland High School, graduating in 2018. After Evancho saw the film version of the musical The Phantom of the Opera as a young girl, she began singing the songs at home. Her parents have stated that they did not recognize that her voice was unusual until her first talent competition, which she entered just before her 8th birthday. In the competition, Teen Idol, Evancho finished in 2nd place. She began taking voice lessons and singing at events, 28, churches and nursing homes, mostly in Pennsylvania. She also started a YouTube channel, sang in the Children's Festival Chorus of Pittsburgh, now Pittsburgh Youth Chorus, during its 2008 September season, and performed the title role in a 2009 school musical version of Little Red Riding Hood. In 2009, Evancho competed in Las Vegas in the 15th Annual USA World Showcase Talent Competition, where she finished in 2nd place. At the 2009 Teen Idol contest, she was again runner-up in other 2009 talent contests. She won the Golden Ribby Award, Wonderwork and the Talent Quest TV show, both in Massachusetts. Also in 2009, she sang Ave Maria in composer and conductor Tim Jennis's PBS television special Celebrate America and performed in other concerts and TV shows with Jennis, who sought her out after seeing her on YouTube. She made various singing appearances around Pennsylvania in 2009 and 2010. Career, David Foster and Prelude to a Dream. Evancho in her concert with David Foster, December 29, 2011, Evancho first caught record producer David Foster's attention in 2009. She was selected for the regional semifinals of his Hitman Talent Search contest, finishing as runner-up, and in October 2009 she sang in the David Foster and Friends concert at the Prudential Center in Newark, New Jersey. America's Got Talent. After 2 earlier unsuccessful auditions for the show, Evancho was accepted as a contestant on the 5th season of NBC's America's Got Talent, AGT, by placing first in its 2010 YouTube competition. On August 10, 2010, Evancho performed the aria O mio bambino caro in the show's quarter-final round. 50. The judges' reactions were effusive afterwards. Commentators queried whether her performance had been lip-synced. On the next evening's live show, Ivanko sang an impromptu voice exercise to demonstrate that the broadcast was of her live voice. In an interview, Judge Howie Mandel addressed the issue. What people are really saying is that it's really too good to be true. Oh Holy Night, main article, Oh Holy Night, Jackie Ivanko album. Ivanko. In February 2011, Ivanko's first release on a major record label was a Columbia Records EP titled Oh Holy Night. It was released on November 16, 2010, and entered the Billboard 200 at number 2, making Ivanko the top-selling debut artist for 2010 and the youngest solo artist ever to debut in the top 10. It also launched at number 1 on Billboard's Classical Albums chart and number 2 on Billboard's Holiday Albums chart. The album sold 239,000 copies in its first week. The EP was certified platinum by the RIAA, making Ivanko the youngest solo artist ever to go platinum in the U.S. Dream With Me, main article, Dream With Me, Ivanko's second full-length album, Dream With Me, produced by David Foster for Sony and Psycho Music, was released on June 14, 2011. The album debuted at number 2 on the Billboard 200 chart, reached number 1 on Billboard's Classical Albums chart, and was certified gold by the RIAA. 95. With this album, Ivanko became the youngest artist ever to debut in the UK in the top 5. The album includes popular songs, Angel, classical arias, Umbra My Foo and original songs, including the title track, for which Ivanko contributed to the lyrics. It also includes duets with Barbra Streisand, Somewhere and Susan Boyle, The Prayer. Target released a deluxe edition with 4 bonus tracks. AllMusic gave the album 3-1/2 stars out of 5, and USA Today commented that Ivanko's sweet, unblemished vocal tone and slow, careful vibrato hardly betray her young age. But Dream's predictable and often bombastic odes to love and faith can undermine the tween's most appealing quality, innocence. Ivanko promoted the album on television and at concerts. Her first solo concert television special for the 2011 PBS Great Performances series consisted of performances of largely the same songs as the album. The special, titled Dream With Me in Concert, was the most broadcast program of the year on the PBS network. It became one of the most viewed specials in the 38-year history of the Great Performances series and raised record amounts of money for PBS stations. Ivanko was the youngest person ever to have a special on the series. The concert was hosted by David Foster with guest Conrad Tao. The CD-DVD release reached number 1 on Billboard's Top Music Video chart. Ivanko performed Nessun Dorma as a guest artist at the June 2011 season finale of Britain's Got Talent, and at the September 2011 season finale of America's Got Talent. Heavenly Christmas. Ivanko. In December 2011, main article, Heavenly Christmas, Ivanko's 2011 Christmas album, Heavenly Christmas, was produced by Rob Mounsey. The selections include traditional Christmas carols like The First Noel and O Little Town of Bethlehem, standards like I'll Be Home for Christmas and White Christmas, and newer songs, such as Walking in the Air, from the 1982 animated short film The Snowman, and Believe, from the 2004 movie The Polar Express. The album was released on November 1, 2011, exclusively by Walmart in the US and elsewhere in the US in October 2012. The album entered the Billboard Classical Albums chart at number 1, the Holiday Albums chart at number 3, and peaked on the Billboard 200 at number 11. It peaked at number 9 on the Canadian Albums chart. 133, AllMusic's review gives the album 3 stars, commenting, Ivanko's vocals are impressive as always, and the arrangements are mostly tasteful, with only occasional moments of bombast. The Salt Lake City Tribune rated the album A. Christopher John Farley of the Wall Street Journal wrote that Ivanko sounds like she's channeling a past life, a future self, or possibly an actual angel. Songs from the Silver Screen, main article, Songs from the Silver Screen. Ivanko with conductor John Mario Di Costanzo. In August 2012, Ivanko's fourth full-length album, Songs from the Silver Screen, was released on October 2, 2012. The album is composed of songs used in popular films, arranged by Bill Ross, including the whimsical, Pure Imagination from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, Disney songs, Can You Feel the Love Tonight from The Lion King and I See the Light from Tangled, anthems, My Heart Will Go On from Titanic, featuring Joshua Bell, violin, and romantic standards, Some Enchanted Evening from South Pacific. Other collaborations on the album are The Summer Knows from Summer of 42, featuring Chris Botti, trumpet, and Come What May from Moulin Rouge, featuring the Canadian tenors. An AllMusic review awarded the album 3-1/2 stars out of 5. Awakening, main article, Awakening, Jackie Evancho album. Evancho in 2014 promoting Awakening at the WSJ Cafe. Evancho released her fifth full-length album, Awakening, on September 23, 2014. On Sony Masterworks Portrait Records label. Evancho promoted the album with a concert tour that began in November 2014 and continued into 2016, and a third PBS special. The album consists of classical pieces like Rachmaninoff's Vocalize and the art song Dormi Jesu. Classical crossover covers of more contemporary pieces like U2's With or Without You, Lara Fabian's G-Time and Within Temptation's Memories, and several original songs. Walmart's deluxe edition included 6 bonus holiday songs. Evancho released songs from the album including covers of The Rains of Castamere from Game of Thrones, Think of Me from The Phantom of the Opera, 169, Ennio Morricone's Your Love in the Vavilov version of Ave Maria, Someday at Christmas and Two Hearts. Main article, Someday at Christmas, Jackie Evancho album. Main article, Two Hearts, Jackie Evancho album. Evancho released her 6th full-length album and third holiday collection, Someday at Christmas, on October 28, 2016, on the Sony Masterworks Portrait label. The album consists of 9 previously released tracks, including collaborations with Placido Domingo, Peter Hollins and Vittoria Grigolo, and 3 new tracks, Stevie Wonder's anti-war song Someday at Christmas 189, and 2 versions of The Little Drummer Boy, one with Il Volo. The new tracks were produced by Dina Finai and Heather Hollow with arrangements by Robert Kinkel, formerly of the Trans-Siberian Orchestra. The album peaked at number 93 on the Billboard 200, no 1 on the Billboard Classical Albums chart, Evancho's 6th consecutive release to do so, and number 3 on the Billboard Holiday Albums chart. It was the number 27 best-selling classical album of 2016. A review in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. The Gazette called the album a shimmering showcase for Evancho's incredible vocal range and interests. The duets in this project display her talents for harmonies, as well as tender melodies. The debut, main article, the debut album. On April 12, 2019, Evancho released her 8th studio album, The Debut, focusing on songs from 21st-century Broadway musicals and musical films. The album was produced by Michael Mangini. The album is Evancho's 8th consecutive release on the Billboard Classical Albums chart to reach number 1. Evancho began a U.S. tour in April 2019 to promote the debut, beginning with 2 nights at Feinstein/54 Below in New York. She has also been promoting the album on various media, including Yahoo Finance and Good Morning America. Evancho performed 3 concerts with Michael Feinstein at his eponymous club in New York in August. Other music performances and philanthropy. 2009 to 2012, Evancho performed the American National Anthem at the 2009 memorial ceremony for the victims of United Flight 93, the Pittsburgh Pirates baseball team's 2010 home opener, and the 2011 NHL Winter Classic. In 2011, she performed Nella Fantasia at the Beverly Hills Chefs for Seals event to support ending the annual Canadian seal hunt and became an ambassador for a Humane Society of the United States program that encourages children to help protect animals. In February 2011, she performed her first full-length concert as a headliner, in Houston, Texas, with the Houston Chamber Choir. She next sang at the 2011 Festival of the Arts Boca, along with young stars of the Metropolitan Opera. Evancho also sang at Muhammad Ali's 2011 Celebrity Fight Night charity event to battle Parkinson's disease, in Phoenix, Arizona. She performed the introduction to Somewhere Over the Rainbow on Oprah's farewell special broadcasts in May 2011, 2013 to 2015. Evancho joined over 200 Cirque du Soleil performers at Bellagio in Las Vegas in the 2013 event One Night for One Drop on World Water Day, to benefit the One Drop Foundation's worldwide clean water access and education programs. Robin Leach wrote, 12-year-old superstar singer Jackie Evancho stole the night with her Bridge Over Troubled Water sung barefoot in the water of the giant stage. She also dominated the fantastic finale flying in as an angel lowered on a harness from the theater rooftop. In April 2013, she sang in concert in Taiwan with Jose Carreras. She performed another concert with Tony Bennett in May, in Alpharetta, Georgia, with the Atlanta Symphony Orchestra. In the 2013 broadcast of A Capital Fourth, Evancho sang the national anthem and Can You Feel the Love Tonight? 2016 to present. In January 2016, Evancho appeared at the Mending Broken Hearts with Hope luncheon to benefit the shelter for abused women and children in Naples, Florida. She then released a single and video covering of Sam Smith's Writings on the Wall and another single and video covering, Skylar Grey's Coming Home, Part 2. In April, Ivanko sang the national anthem at the Pittsburgh Pirates' 2016 opening home game. She also released an original pop song by Peter Zizzo, Apocalypse. Billboard wrote that she has found a brand new sound. The 16-year-old singer is taking a step outside the classical world that made her famous. But Ivanko told Billboard, "I'm not going to get rid of my classical voice, because that's my roots, that's what I love the most." A reviewer for The New Yorker, however, found the track cloying, writing that Ivanko sounds unremarkable outside her genre. She also released a video of the song and performed it on The Today Show and Live with Kelly and Michael. Acting and modeling, Ivanko performed as a young child in several musicals, including Little Red Riding Hood, in which she played the title role. She also appeared as an extra in the 2010 film She's Out of My League. Her first featured television appearance was in the 2011 episode Back to Max, in the Disney Channel series Wizards of Waverly Place, where she sang America the Beautiful to work off school detention, reception and reputation. Ivanko at the Grove Christmas tree lighting, November 2011, earliest assessments, Christopher Hahn, general director of the Pittsburgh Opera, observed, "It's very unusual for a young child to have a voice that sounded so rich and developed. I thought she was just lovely, sweetly compelling." Hahn particularly praised Ivanko's phrasing. Composer Tim Janis commented that Ivanko takes a classical piece and makes it friendly and accessible. "Her voice is so pure and natural, there's no flaw in it. People say I can hear her potential coming, but no, it's here, it's now." Claudia Bennick, assistant professor of musical theater at Carnegie Mellon University, said that Ivanko has an unusually adult feel for the repertoire. "She sings to the important part of the phrase, and then backs off. That's instinctual. She takes breaths sometimes where an adult would not, but that's just because she's young and little. She sings from the healthy part of her voice." Gia Tolentino of The New Yorker later called Ivanko's YouTube audition for AGT supernaturally blissful, and commented that she delivered "O mio bambino caro" with graceful phrasing, a controlled, slow vibrato, and a tone that resonates impersonally, like a bell. Critic Tim Page, however, wrote that Ivanko has many years of work ahead of her before she becomes any sort of musician. 2014 and later, in 2014, Chris Payne commented for Billboard magazine, "Ivanko's stratospheric vocals are of course impressive for someone her age, though pipes like this are incredible for just about anyone." In 2015, the reviewer for Digital Journal wrote, "The control she displays over her voice is tremendous, and she tackles the high notes effortlessly, showcasing her angelic vocals and piercing pipes." Robin Leach wrote of Ivanko's 2015 concert in Las Vegas, "She's still got the voice of an angel. It's remarkable, and her power is growing as she grows up." She had the audience on its feet with wild applause at the end of every song. Some reviewers, beginning in 2015, noticed a lack of connection with the text. A review in the Washington Post called her voice a bell-like instrument, devoid of any messy human emotions with an ethereally floating tone. But imagine what Ivanko can achieve once she stops obsessing over just sounding pretty, and actually listens to the words she's singing. Reviewing one of Ivanko's 2016 concerts, Steve Barnes similarly wrote for the Times Union that her voice is an instrument of pristine beauty. It peals with the purity of bells and lofts tones that shimmer with celestial iridescence, but that her performance lacks an apparent interpretive style or emotional connection to the material. Honors: Ivanko appeared on the National League of Junior Cotillions list of 10 best-mannered people of 2011 inches for demonstrating humility and politeness as a young performer. She was honored in 2012 by the Senator John Heinz History Center at its 20th annual History Makers Award dinner as one of 5 distinguished Pittsburghers, recognized for their exceptional contributions to the history of Western Pennsylvania, the nation, and the world. 356, 357, Ivanko was the youngest person ever to be so honored. The Keen Quest Talent Search, since 2011, has given an annual Jackie Ivanko Award to a contestant who exemplifies courage and motivation and pushes through to follow their dreams. In both 2011 and 2012, Billboard magazine named Ivanko to its list of 21 under 21 music's hottest minors. In 2017, Ivanko was named to the 2018 Forbes 30 under 30 list of musicians